This year, our CO2 machine broke down and we've been forced to push the limits of our xTool F1 to see what it can do. Let's create a 10.7 by 5.2 inch wooden anniversary gift without a slide extension. We loaded our design into the xTool Creative Space software. Each section of the design is color-coded. We select the entire design and set our cut settings for 6mm MDF. We then deselected the output and positioned the first area that we planned to cut, then activated that area for output. Please note that we place a block of wood 1 inch thick below our cutting plate before placing the MDF material. Frame the design, then process. Remove the output on the section you just cut and activate the next section. At some point, we rotate the design 180 degrees. Frame the design, then process remove the output on the section you just cut and activate the next section. Continue to frame and process until the entire design is cut. We sprayed the cutout wood design gold, then engraved the design as well as cut a base for the item. Thus is our finished product, a beautiful anniversary gift, packaged and ready for delivery. If you would like to know how we engrave photos on wood or have any other questions, let us know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to keep in touch with our future tutorials.